Day 20 felt like a quiet day of appreciation. In less than 3 weeks, they have changed so much. They are already more discerning about food. Leftover feed from the night before no longer excites all of them equally. Apple and Jujube, perhaps the least picky of the group, still ate it with steady focus, while the others moved about more casually or rested on the perches as if waiting for something better. And when I refilled the feeder with fresh feed, they all became much more eager. Fresh feed always changes the mood. Apple and Jujube kept pecking with determination. Soybean soon joined them. Peanut, meanwhile, seemed just as happy pecking at the feed I had spilled around the feeder. The process of adding feed is never smooth. Some of them always rush toward my hand and peck at the spoon itself, so a little spilling is almost inevitable. Only Blackberry remained less excited than the others. Eventually, she came over and pecked at the feed too, but only for a short while before drifting away again. At breakfast time, I looked into the box and found all 5 of them perched quietly and comfortably on the sticks, side by side. It was a beautiful sight. I brought back my camera and opened the chicken wire just a little to take some footage. Peanut and Apple, ever alert, noticed the movement immediately. They stood taller, stretched their necks, and stared upward, clearly looking for an opportunity to jump. When they realized the opening was too narrow for them to reach the rim, they jumped down from the perches and then back up again, restless with possibility. Blackberry, by contrast, remained comfortable where she was, almost lazy, even dozing a little with one eye half closed. And today, Soybean did something less usual for her. She also stayed where she was, calm and settled, without that immediate alertness that usually takes over her whole body. That small moment stayed with me. It reminded me again that even among 5 chicks living in the same box, under the same light, with the same feed and the same routines, each one is becoming more fully herself. Thank you for watching. If this was helpful or inspiring, please give it a like, share, subscribe, and tell me what you're growing in the comments. See you next time in the garden.